I will show you amazing trick to get additional special discount, and I will give you this professional theme for your website as a gift instead of $59. Welcome again. In this video I am going to tell you about BLUEHOST and will teach you the right way to buy this amazing host from BLUEHOST. But before getting into BLUEHOST, I will tell you that I will show you amazing trick to get additional special discount, and I will give you this professional theme for your website as a gift instead of $59 if you sign up through my URL in the video description. Well, let us move on step by step to get this amazing host. First step is go to the video description and click on the URL. After clicking the URL, you will be here in this page. Now, second step is keeping your mouse here in this area. Don't go up anymore, and I will tell you why in the next steps. Now, third step is go to the host, and from host you will hit the shared hosting. Now, after you hitting, you will be here and you will press get start. Well, now fourth step is choose one of these planes, and I will recommend for you this plane. You will ask me why. I will say cool, come with me to explain for you. This plane, the price is same with this plane, one price. Plus, now you will get unlimited website, unlimited storage, and you will get one free domain for 1 year, and you will get SSL for your website, and you will get most important thing, free automated backup for 1 year for your website. That's very amazing. So let us choose this plane and select it. Now you will move to next step. Next step is to choose your domain. If you have a ready domain, you can write it here and press next. If you don't have, you will write like me. I will choose this website is for example. I will hit next. After that, now we will looking for is available or not. Oh, right, super. This domain almadrasa2021.com is available. Now cool, we are here in this step. Now this step is to fill this field in your information. You can put here your name, your last name, and here your mail address. After that, you will choose your package information. You will choose package information, and this package very good. Now we are going to down and we'll remove this. Now we will have this price for your plan which you choose it. Now focus with me, remember this number and keep it in your mind. Focus with me and you will make nice offer for you. Now after we choose everything, we will go up. Now we will go up like that, slowly, very slowly, and you will get boom, you will get this special offer price for you. Now you will remember, I will understand why I told you about mouse movements. Okay, now we will hit this client saving. Now you will get this amazing special offer for you. Hit it like that, client saving. And after that, we will go down, and we will remove this again, and we will find this number. Okay, did you remember? It was about 194, now 178. That's very amazing, and yes my friend, congratulations, you saved about $20 for your pockets. That's very nice. Last step is to put your information here, payment information here, and complete your payment by clicking here and submit. So this the best way which I want to teach you and tell you about it. And after you complete your payment, send me email, include your domain name, and I will send you this amazing gift which I told you about it. So my friend, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me, and see you later in another videos and another tricks. Goodbye.